When you live in Frederick, you know how unpredictable Maryland weather can be. From cold, snowy winters to humid summers, your home's insulation plays a huge role in keeping you comfortable and your energy bills under control. One part of your home that many people overlook is the windows. Even the best, most energy-efficient windows won't work properly if they aren't installed right. That's why proper window installation is critical for insulation and overall comfort in your Frederick home. Why proper window installation matters? Windows do more than let in light and fresh air. They act as a barrier between your indoor space and the outside. When they aren't installed correctly, gaps or poor sealing can form around the frames. These gaps allow drafts to sneak in and conditioned air to leak out, making it much harder to maintain a steady indoor temperature. Over time, your heating and cooling system must work overtime to compensate, driving up your energy bills. Properly installed windows create a tight seal that prevents air infiltration. This means warm air stays inside during the winter and outside during the summer. In a place like Frederick, where temperatures can swing dramatically between seasons, that insulation effect is priceless. Protecting against moisture and mold. Another major concern with improper window installation is water infiltration. If the flashing, caulking, or frame installation isn't done correctly, moisture can seep into the wall structure. Over time, this moisture can cause wood rot, mold growth, and even damage the surrounding drywall. Mold isn't just ugly, it's a serious health hazard, especially if you or your family suffer from allergies or asthma. A properly installed window, with well-done sealing and flashing, acts as a barrier against the elements and helps protect your home from costly water damage. Boosting energy efficiency. Homeowners in Frederick who invest in energy-efficient windows expect to see lower utility bills. However, without proper installation, even the highest-rated windows can fail to deliver on their promise. Tiny installation mistakes can cause air leaks that cancel out the insulating benefits of modern window technologies like double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills. Professional installers know how to make sure your new windows are perfectly level, securely fastened, and sealed. This is what guarantees your investment pays off and your windows perform as advertised. Increasing home value and comfort. Quality installation not only improves insulation and energy savings but also adds to your home's value. Potential buyers in Frederick will appreciate windows that look good, function properly, and offer proven energy efficiency. Plus, you and your family get to enjoy a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Properly installed windows can help block outdoor noise and eliminate frustrating drafts that make certain rooms uncomfortable. Why you should hire a professional? You might be tempted to install windows yourself or hire the cheapest contractor you can find. But keep in mind that window installation is a specialized skill. It requires precision, experience, and a thorough understanding of local building codes. A reputable Frederick window installer will make sure the job is done right the first time. They'll inspect the opening, remove the old window carefully, and install the new one to exact specifications. They'll also check the insulation around the frame and seal every seam to protect against air and moisture. In the long run, professional installation saves you time, frustration, and expensive repairs. Final thoughts. When you invest in new windows, you're investing in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and resale value. Don't let poor installation ruin that investment. By choosing a trusted professional in Frederick for your window installation, you can ensure your home stays insulated, safe, and comfortable through all of Maryland's seasons.